4th floor. Going down.
This probably had a black button or lexan fixtures. So I would say the cab is original. But the modernization with these fixtures here was probably done over 10 years ago. Other than that, this has an epic motor. That's probably where the original indicator was. I rather would have seen this original, but it's not a bad modernization.
1st floor.
Here we are in the dingy basement, or 1st floor, here in the original part of UTSC, which opened in 1966.
Mr. Brandon, on the call?
Let me show you something quickly. This is a service elevator that was modernized with these fixtures, but it's turned off. And here is the passenger elevator that was pretty poorly modernized, but dewhurst fixtures probably over 20 years ago. I gotta tell you, I prefer the other elevator. This one only serves one extra floor than the other one. But unfortunately, this is a pretty crappy modernization, featuring these bland fixtures. The cab is also original. This is just slapped on, again, probably 20 years ago. And this doesn't have much of an epic motor, but it runs pretty good. Guarantee you it's a original Otis.